Welcome back to Talk Jamaican. You probably did not know that I have several books about Jamaica on Amazon.com. Another beside Talk Jamaican that I have is called Hidden Gems of Jamaica, and that tells you about beautiful places off the beaten path where I have hiked and ridden to with my friends. And what I'm going to do for you is not only teach you how to speak like a Jamaican, but tell you about some of those places. So subscribe to this channel, like and share it to your friends. And remember, after I talk to you in Jamaican, I do give you an overview in English. So along with your Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com, you'll follow me. Don't worry about it. Have a great day. You ever hear about one place in a Clarendon named Bullhead Mountain? And the British people, them when they need control Jamaica call it, so they call it Bullhead Mountain, cause they claim say when you out to sea and you see the peak, it's shaped like the head of one bull. Well, me no know, cause me no go to sea go look on it. But me love that place, the man, yeah man, me like it, they're right in the center of the island. And so they put one plaque up there that say a dead center of Jamaica, a true man. It there in a Clarendon, and me say only 4,000 foot high, high like a Blue Mountain. So you and your friend them can walk go up there. You can ride bicycle, and people can drive car because enough people drive them car and go up there on holiday, go hang around, and just enjoy themselves. Anyway, me say when you go up there, you can see St. Anne Parish, you can see St. Mary Parish, you can see Clarendon Parish, and you can see, so even sometimes you see Cuba on a clear day. Me say the view up there nice, man. Now me have to go tell you how me did hear about that place named Bullhead Mountain. Because me no come from around there now, me come from St. Elizabeth. So one day me pick up somebody, me are driving a Clarendon and me pick up somebody. And me think them, we are talking about, things we do and river we go and all that. Them say the real me now hit start up in the Bullhead Mountain. So me ask them if they have no waterfall up there. He say, yeah, but they have a waterfall. Well, you don't know me now. Me go get my friend them and we go get one guide down at Thompson Town in a Clarendon and near Bullhead Mountain. And we say we are going to hike up there. And we go bathing at the waterfall. Master, we walk the whole day. Up to now we can't find this waterfall. But guess what? The next time we go there, me find out, say, I may never hear right, the man will tell me about it. And a waterfall, he say, a water ball. He say, one water ball up there, and nobody can find it. And to go bust and flood out the whole of Clarendon and St. Catherine and kill everybody. I want up his story they have in a Clarendon, go say, But me never know, me think he say waterfall, so that's why we are walk around the whole day and look for waterfall and can't find it. Anyway, we go back there because it's a nice place to go up, go hike and hang out with your friend there, have some little pool up there. You can wet your foot. And up there the Rio Minnow River start. And it have enough bamboo up there, so it's cool and nice. Me I tell you, you should go there. Bullhead Mountain is dead center of Jamaica. I want plaque there to tell you, say, I no lie me I tell. In the previous section, I was introducing you to a place called Bullhead Mountain. That is in the parish of Clarendon, and the peak of Bullhead Mountain is dead center in the island of Jamaica. There is even a plaque up there that tells you that this is the center of the island. The Rio Minnow River has its source in Bullhead Mountain, and it is 4,000 feet high, approximately. The British called it Bullhead. They used to be our colonial masters, and they called it Bullhead because they claim that when you see the peak from out at sea, it looks like the head of a bull. I've never been there. I've never been out to sea and seen it, so I can't confirm that. Anyway, the first time I heard about Bullhead Mountain, I had given a lift to someone from the area. And we were talking about things to do in the area, and I thought he said there was a waterfall up there. Well, since my friends and I like to go hiking and exploring, I got some together and we got a guide from nearby Thompson, a guide, sorry, from nearby Thompson Town to accompany us. And we walked the entire day, but we found no waterfall. I subsequently learned that I had misheard. It's not a waterfall that is at the top of Bullhead Mountain, but a an invisible thing called a water ball. That is local folklore. This water ball, which nobody can see, will one day burst and it will flood the entire plains of Clarendon and St. Catherine and kill everybody. But it's just a ghost story. When you get to the top of Bullhead Mountain, you have the most comprehensive view of the parishes of St. Mary, St. Anne, Clarendon, and St. Catherine. And on a clear day, you can even see Cuba. So it may not have a waterfall, but it's a wonderful place to go to. You can hike up there, you can ride your bicycle up, and people drive up there because it's cool, beautiful, and has a fantastic view. And there's a plaque right at the peak telling you that this is the center of the island of Jamaica.